The three most common questions about new strain of COVID-19. Would the vaccine work against this new strain of COVID virus? Would this new strain stay for 2 more years? Would this new strain be more fatal than the last one? The most of the fear and knowledge both has come from news, novels and movies, where in fact this pathogen mutate and becomes more dangerous in our blockbuster movies. Here are some movies only for the entertainment purposes, no real meaning. Reality is, however, is less ethical. Coronavirus is no exception. Over the past few months, a few research groups have found new strain of virus that's infecting people all around the world. It sounds scary. None of the reported cases ever showed to be more dangerous. It's merely 50 to 60% more contagious than spreading fast. This news has led to great confusion to general public. In this COVID duration, each time such a studies surface, fears arise, and virus experts rush to explain the changes in the virus genetic blueprint or genome. But this happens all the time in case of all viral diseases, maybe chickenpox, polio, or SARS, any viral infection. Coronavirus is no exception. In fact, it really just means that it's normal. Expect viruses to evolve, but none of these viruses are meaningful or more harmful. It's no new study. All biologists always know this. A mutation is just a change. Even most of the time, mutation doesn't do much to a virus. Viruses are simple protein cells that contain either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. In the case of COVID-19, it's RNA, it's messenger RNA. So rates of spontaneous mutation varies among viruses. RNA viruses mutate faster than DNA viruses. And single-stranded viruses mutate easily than double-stranded viruses. So this virus being a RNA virus and a single-stranded virus is changing its form rapidly. So it's not like it would stay for 2 more years and the vaccine wouldn't work against it. This has been happening in case of all viral infections, and the vaccine have been working for them. So this new strain has evolved to be more contagious, not more fatal, therefore spreading fast but less symptomatic. Thank you for watching. Stay positive, stay safe.